Goeiemôre, goeiemiddag, goeienaand, waar ook al jy is in die wêreld van leeu rugby. Ouer gewoonte gaan ek vinnig gesels oor die naweek se wedstryd, spesifiek oor die leeu se wedstryd teen Munster. That will be taking place Saturday evening, 8:45. That is literally the last match of the weekend and of the round robin phase. En eintlik vanaand al sal die leeu's en ons as leeu ondersteuners weet presies wat gedoen moet word vir die Leeu's om te kwalifiseer vir die top 8, because all the teams that have got an impact on us are playing tonight. So that's going to be interesting. Watch those log points during the course of the night. Maar nou ja, net een of twee goedjies voordat ek oor die Leeu span se aankondiging gesels. And that's firstly to Asenate in Tlabakanye. So I think I speak for all Lions fans if I say that we are saddened by the news of your situation at the moment regarding the let's call it the banning for 18 months. Just from a personal point of view, I would like to say that from a supporter's point of view, you've been nothing but wonderful as a Lions player, and I would personally support you to fight this tooth and nail as far as you can. I assume that you're part of the players union, and even if you have to take the governing body or whoever found you guilty, if you know that you are innocent, don't stop fighting. Take it to court as far as you can. Your career literally depends on it. Don't stop fighting. You've got nothing to lose, and you've got the support of, I believe, the Lions Union, and at the very least, the support of the supporters. Goed, en dan beweeg ons gou aan. Ek gaan nie gesels oor Munster se span hierdie week nie, dis irrelevant wie hulle gekies het nie en nie gekies het nie en wie beskikbaar is vir hulle en wie nie beskikbaar is nie. The bottom line is we have to beat them. We need one league point. Maar ek dink nie dis iets waarna die Leeu's kyk nie, ons as ondersteuners ook nie. Natuurlik sal mense nie kwaad wees nie. But we need a good match after last week, and we need a proper win, and I'm sure the players feel exactly the same. So ek gaan net vinnig hierdie span aankondiging hardloop wat vanoggend deurgegee is. Voor hy SC Kotse, PJ Botha en dan in die plek van Asenate en Tlabakanye is Sebastian Lombard. En dan ook is daar 'n verandering op slot. Reinhard Notnagel is daar, maar in die plek van Etienne Oosthuizen is Darian Landsberg, en hy is natuurlik heel gewoond daaraan om te speel. Verlede week opgekom van die bench af, en ek dink sy spelpyl is baie goed op die oomblik. Then the back three in the scrum stays as it is. Sibama, Shibatu Tlikani and Frankie Horn. And no fingers can be pointed there at the moment because they all three are playing really good rugby. Just on a side note, I would still say I'm hoping that we see some more of Renzi du Plessis this year. Even players like Jared Kearns, V. Steenkamp, I hope that we're going to see more of them this year. Backline, a change or two. Morne van der Berg, Chris Smith, that's standard. Richard Kriel, Henko van Wyk on the centres. Angelo Davids on the left wing, and then Kelly Mpeko has been brought in on the right wing. En ek sal dit sê, ek is effens verbaas dat Erich Cronje nie in die starting line-up is nie. Ek sien hy's ook nie op die bench nie. Ek weet nie of hy beseer is nie. Kan wees. As hy nie beseer is nie, is ek baie verbaas dat hy nie in die starting line-up is nie. In my view, he's been outstanding, and his work rate on the wing has been absolutely mind-blowing this year so far. En dan soos gewoonlik QAnon op 15. Then with the bench, Morne Brandon, Eddie Davids, Arif Skuman, Rowan Delport, Sibakoma covering the Lucies, en natuurlik JC Pretorius ook. Ek hoop regtig JC kry 20 minute plus speelkans Moore, and then the only back that's cover that we have is Hashim Peed. And I'm glad that he's getting more game time as well. So ja, ek sien uit na die game. Ek glo regtig die Lions gaan 'n vertoning opsit, second to none. Ek weet ons gaan wen. Ek dink die vraag is net hoe ver. I'm absolutely behind the guys. Een verloor in 6 wedstryde maak regtig nie 'n verskil aan hoe ek voel oor die Lions en my ondersteuning vir die Lions span nie, en ek dink ek praat vir 99% van die ondersteuners. Nou ja, let's hope we can celebrate after this weekend and look forward towards building something at the Lions Union with a top 8 position, and then focusing on the knockout rounds after that. Van my, Hendrik Fourie, ek hoop jy het 'n great naweek. Drink 'n bier, geniet die rugby, wees veilig, moenie dronk wees op die paaie nie. Hoopelik sien ek van julle daar vanmiddag. Ek oorweeg om by Ellis Park 'n draai te gaan maak om die onder 23s te ondersteun. So as jy my daar sou sien, asseblief, ek is maar skamerig, kom sê asseblief hallo. Tot volgende keer. Cheers.